y'all go about getting yours.
I gotta get it.
You play it like me?
I gotta get it.
I got to get all mine.
I gotta get it. I wake up yawning, thinking about billions. Thoughts about scratch climbing up to the ceiling. Why? I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. Murder on the strip, shifts to killings. All about my cream, could care less about your feelings. Why? I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine.
Call me more like Green Ace when I'm floating that new will. Know when to get it poppin' with that girl in them blue pills. Stepping out the belt, looking good like a few mil. Christian Dior tents, Louis Los with the new hills. So I'm taking steps comfy, tools on deck, just in case the hater try to slump me. I got the block on the huggy, young boy. We getting money, young boy. We grown men. What you mumbling for? Why you mad? Cause I'm in the basket slamming your hole. And every time I hit the mall, I'll be buying the store. For sure, they announce me the Dougiest alive. Chowing on steak, you eating super soda on the side. My goon Smiley on the side, AR in the back. We getting that guap, no cells, less than a stack. 215, Big P on front of my hat. Go OT, bunnies hopping, lick on the sack. Custies, got him calling my jack. For that Maurice Green, all that good Joey crack. Then I do my count, rubber band whack. I'm taking over the game, throw the sticks cause it's a wreck.
I wake up yawning, thinking about billions. Thoughts about scratch climbing up to the ceiling. Why? I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. Murder on the strip, shifts to killings. All about my cream, could care less about your feelings. Why? I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine. I gotta get mine.
Peach cobbler coupe, guinea doors on lift up. So I know the reason twerk is giving me lip sucks. And every hood I go to, throwing the zip up. Gang been in my Lux bag, mopping goose and pie up. The truth use a lie up, play a goon and ride up. Somebody call the department, your boy is on fire. M-O-N-E-Y, yes I'm all about $1. I'm hot like the boys that was whipping in them prowlers. Back in 99, yo I got a mean grind. Get it by the block and whip the pot till the steam fine. Choke you to bed, overhead we got green dimes. One puff, I hate you think you swimming.
Don't lie. No camera lies.
Yeah. I know niggas locked down that never see the light. My youngest 17, then the judge gave him life. Nanny upstate, yeah, husky lifting weights. This the jungle like the Amazon, watch the snakes. When you getting money, they'll play you close, but niggas get ghost, soon your pockets go broke. Free that nigga Boo, and free that nigga Boom, and free show you D, my real side gang goons. I be grinding till the lights out, I'm shining like the White House. Tell two-stroke to bring the motherfucking bikes out. I'm about to go turkey head, all my niggas yellow swing. Damn quick for that clown shit, this ain't no circus, man. Ducking from the bike cops, in the trap like fuck the law. I'm really from the streets, my nigga, yeah I got a bunch of stars. Smoking to the face like, no, I ain't passing shit. So try to rob you, nigga, swear that be your last lick.
Don't nobody know nothing? What up with this? Get the fuck out of here. I'm running this shit. You're $5 ass now before I get 10.
Yeah. I'm like fuck your dogs, y'all pack of mutts. My desert eagle spit on people like a Staffy Duck. I got a lot of money, I can't make a phone. I'm like a fireman, I hop out when I spray the hose. I shoot at bitch ass niggas, like take a pose like a crack house walls. I stay with a lot of hoes, bout to flame shit like I'm striking at a lighter light. All headshots like we got trained to be a sniper. Survival of the fittest, and yeah I got fat. I ate lobster for breakfast, I sell a bunch of crack. Make sure I get the car when the boss is meeting. I style up on your block like a nigga going skiing. Them shots get sent with popping guns like perk 30s. Put them niggas out like blah blah birdie. I was trying to get a plate, but niggas acting stingy. Instead of slid through
not even 11-2. But I said, I'm gonna let my man, you know, we on this home court, let my man at least get 7. So, you know, I opened him up 7-11 all crazy, man, you know what I'm saying? I could have cooked him. First time I touched the ball was maybe 4. But I ain't want to put too much on to it, you know what I'm saying? You know, South Philly She came up here, cooked him. You already know, fresh off a broke leg, you know what I'm saying? One fucked up joint, one broke joint. You know, fat, man, I got fat, but you know, cook this nigga, man. Good game though, man. Nice try.
You know, this nigga She, he come out the gate with the little cross, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? I went reaching, he made me pay for it. You know what I'm saying? The game was looking kind of tight in the beginning, that loosened up. Got him in the post a little bit, started working the post a little bit.
He did.
You know what I mean? Show him what the range was about. You know what I mean? He gave me like 5 foot away, so I made him pay for it, cashed him out.
And I want to hear lost his footage even.
But he ended it with the trade ball. I ain't believe in it, but he put the dag in me.
And I don't want to hear y'all lost his footage even, man.
He put the dag in me, man. Shit, what's going on though, man? What's up with the music, man?
Music shit popping right now, you know.
Talk to him.
Determination be out by the time y'all can see this. That she be out in the streets. Hosted by We Running Streets, you know what I'm saying? I got my nigga J Hood from D Block on that joint. Got my nigga Santos on that joint. You know, a couple other niggas, man, you know what I'm saying? Just did the come up show. Murdered that thing, shout out to DJ Cosmic Kev. You know, working. Going to New York. Then we going to South Carolina for Memorial Day weekend. Me and J Hood, you know I'm OB8, so I fuck with Ab, everybody. Shout out to my OB8 family, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Airplane Ace, all crazy. Been on this grind official. Been on this grind. You ain't flying like Ace, man. Get your shit right, man.
Appreciate that. Hey, Money S, man. He got one for the P today, man. But S, Fatso, I'm coming for y'all, man.
Yeah, I'll bust Fatso and Money S. Them niggas shitty.
He coming shitty. Hip-hop basketball walls, man.
I'm the best underground rapper in ball.
You know what I'm saying? I debate that. You know what I mean? He got the W. But we're going to add a rematch. We're going to check it up soon. We in the offs right now, man. He lead the series 1-0. He lead it 1-0. He holding it down for the P. P looking good in the league right now.
And once I get back in my breath right now, it's going to be fresh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, you know, once you get that,
We're coming uptown, man. Sosa, man. Sosa. You know what I mean? I'll be up top. Come holler at you, man. We're going to do it up Finley, up Simons, Rico. We're going to do it up Simons, Rico. You know what I'm saying?
one time.
Whatever.
Daytona nice, though.
Yeah, shout out my nigga Tony. Hood Savior.
Nice. You know what I mean? Nice. He fat now, though.
Yeah, Tony, check it out. We ain't none of that trying out, ain't none of that training. Fresh off the perks, off the L.
Yeah.
Right out the bar, the after hours. Whatever, baby. World's jump. We hooping.